I'm not really understanding exactly what you're saying, but I would sign a film because this script is great, because my role is great, and no matter what has happened, that'll have absolutely no bearing on my decisions that I take. See, I think by now you guys have known me for a few years, and you know the kind of work that I'm doing, and I don't do too many films, you know. And it's not like it's coming from completely pure space of just wanting to do good scripts, working with good directors and doing good roles. So that is not going to change. That's always going to be what decides, you know, whatever decision I take. It's completely based on that. Yeah, I think he's a marketing genius. He's very good with you know, with what he does, and उन्हें पता है वो क्या करे. Like I said, he's very clear-headed. उनको पता है वो क्या कर रहे हैं. So yeah. Honestly, now I as an actor, I'll be the worst salesman if I ever was to given that job. I'm really bad at like selling myself, if it sounds the right way, because I really don't, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता है. I think people who do it, they know it best and they do it the way they do it. मुझे पता है कि मुझे इस क्या बोलते हैं, इस चीज़ में I know मुझे क्या नहीं करना है, but it's really not something that I get into. जो समझना है वो ना करो. I believe in that.
It is definitely something really new out of the box.
I thought it was awesome. I really think it was. I mean, since I also know the story of the film, so I thought even more so why it's awesome.
But then at the same point of time, there was a lot of criticism which the poster had to face. So what do you have to say about that?
I mean, see, my personal opinion is that this is a creative medium, and I think, of course, as filmmakers, people who work in films, we obviously want a certain amount of creative liberty. Having said that, as far as this film is concerned, it's a Raju Irani film. You can't, and you know, it's Aamir Khan on the poster. I mean, these are people who have a lot of credibility attached to them. So one must know that if it's happening for a reason, and it's happening for a reason which is going to be completely justified when you watch the film. So that is, I think that's what my reaction is to whatever happened and all. But you know, at the end of the day, we are a democracy. Everyone has an opinion, and everyone should voice their opinion. So they did.